When considering TimeSolv for your business accounting, there are a few key factors you'll want to know before making a decision. While it's a great tool for time tracking and billing, let's dive into the things you need to keep in mind before you buy. First, TimeSolv's time tracking features are one of its standout elements. It's designed to capture billable hours efficiently, whether you're working on a project or client. This is an important feature, especially for consultants and service-based businesses. But compared to other accounting software like FreshBooks, TimeSolv might be a bit less intuitive in its interface. Next thing, the billing flexibility TimeSolv offers is impressive. It allows you to create custom invoices and set up different billing models like hourly rates or fixed fees. While this is useful, some competitors like QuickBooks Online offer similar functionality, but with more integrated features for other financial operations. The third thing to know is about its client portal. TimeSolv gives clients access to track their own bills, which can save a lot of back and forth communication. However, when compared to other options like Xero, its client portal might feel a bit more basic in terms of design and functionality. Fourth thing, the integrations available on TimeSolv. It supports a range of tools, including Google Calendar and Dropbox, but it doesn't have as many options for integrations as something like Zoho Books, which could be a deal breaker if you rely on a wider variety of third-party software. Next, TimeSolv offers strong project management tools. You can track time, expenses, and tasks for each project. This can be a big advantage for businesses that manage multiple clients or projects at once. But if you're looking for advanced project management features, platforms like Harvest or Rike may offer more robust options. The sixth thing to note is TimeSolv's pricing model. It's a subscription-based service with plans that scale based on the number of users. While this is generally reasonable, keep in mind that this could become expensive as your team grows, especially compared to tools like Wave, which offer free features. The seventh thing to consider is TimeSolv's mobile app. It's well designed and makes it easy to track time and bill clients on the go. However, it lacks some of the features you'll find in other apps like Toggle, especially when it comes to detailed reporting. Next up, customer support. TimeSolv has a reputation for responsive customer service. They offer phone, email, and live chat support, which is a big plus compared to software like Harvest, where support is often slower or more limited. The ninth thing is its invoicing system. It's designed for simplicity and customizability, which works well for many businesses. However, if you're looking for more advanced financial tools or tax-related features, QuickBooks or Xero may be better options. 10th, TimeSolv's reporting features. It provides basic reports, but its reporting isn't as advanced or customizable as what you get from tools like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, which may be more suitable for larger businesses with complex reporting needs. 11th, security. TimeSolv uses SSL encryption to keep your data safe, but if you're handling particularly sensitive financial data, you might want to consider other options that offer more robust security features, like QuickBooks Online. Finally, TimeSolv is a solid option for service-based businesses and consultants, but if you're looking for more features in one package, there may be better alternatives. If you want a software that can handle everything from accounting to payroll to advanced reporting, consider exploring our recommended solution. You can try it for free, and it might be the right fit for your business. In conclusion, while TimeSolv is a good choice for time tracking and billing, it might not cover all your business accounting needs. If you're ready to explore a more comprehensive solution, check out our recommendation below.